You just got to stay here.
But why?
You gotta go
You're
think
going
of
to
a plan for
prison.
YouTube.
You're going to prison.
Okay. Are you gonna stay here for a minute?
Calling the police.
No, no. Are you going? Okay. I'm not gonna stay here. Yes. No. Oh my God.
We gotta get him. Go the other way.
I don't know why I'm going back here again. Yes, lost them. I lost them. Perfect. Have you seen the guys from YouTube? I've already seen them. Yeah, something. What is that? Oh. Ow.
Tickle it, keep tickling.
No, no tickles.
Get there. To the prison.
No, I'm not going. But what are you doing?
To the prison.
With who?
With me. The prison.
Apparently, this is a prison for them.
Sit down. Fine. I'll sit down. Are you trying to kill me? I'm a prisoner. Are you zooming in?
What are you gonna do? I'm going out for a minute.
I'll follow him. Only because I'm a prisoner too. Come on, we gotta escape.
Shut up.
We gotta escape the police.
He's not noticing.
You've been working with them
No.
the whole time?
Oh my God. I'm gonna leave this in the tripod. Help!